Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on where you are getting this video, or good night. On my location is good afternoon. So today, my Riverine brothers and sisters, make una look how your area, your territory supposed to look like. Not all those polluted sea that you have there. Just have a look here. I'm doing this especially for Riverine people. You know, if your governors, your senator, people you elect, are good to you, you're supposed to have all these things. You're supposed to have it like this. Look at it. Here now, you see all these trees here. It's not even original, it's planted ones. But to you, you have it natural. You have all these things natural. Look at how the sea is. We are going to the sea now so that people can see how the sea looks like. You know? So that is why we are talking about freedom. That is why I'm telling any one of you, if you are fighting for, what did you call it, a John nation, whatever nation you call it, but fight for your own freedom. That is the most important thing. Look at how environment is supposed to look like. All these are brothers and sisters waiting for Riverine area. Make una dey see am na because of una dey do this video direct every time. Make I wake una spirit up. I dey see our mama the other day, some fishermen the other day, then they cry, say they no fit fish. You say, oh, you don't finish all that. Here now, you cannot have a ship, any ship wey dey drop, even say na small oil wey dem rub with hand, you no go fit enter sea. Look at am. Make una dey see am. All these ones una dey see there, all those tall building na hotel o. Here now, no be summer dey soon come. When summer come now, you know wetin you wan see here? People will full here. Only these things alone, only all these things alone even bring more. That is how government generate more money. When you make environment looks like where people, normal human being, look at where normal human being are staying. Look at, you make environment where normal human being are staying. It will attract investors. Apart from investors sef, it will attract a lot of. Look at as you are seeing the whole sea, as e long dey go, na so everywhere, every corner na beach e be. And the foreigners, they come here, pay money, buy ticket, come here because of only this thing. Okay, you go this side now, why they go now? Just see where they go now. That side now na fish. Now that side, you go see helicopter where they fly for up. Now to secure people where they do fishing, or where they do some sports on top of water. Understand? Good environment. Now you can attract, investors come. That is why you see us shouting for Biafra. That's why I tell you, shout, ask for your own freedom. Any name you like, or call your country, but freedom, nothing like freedom. You make your country, you make your place the way you want your place to be. Just have a look. Have a look. It's because of you guys I'm doing all this. Look at this one. Look. You want to fish now. You can come here and do some small fish, but when you want to do a big fishing, it's not here. You see boat. You'll be seeing boat far distance. All those boat that is very far, they are the one doing fishing. That's why you people have to wake up. All these are brothers and sisters wey dey for Riverine area, where they say, you did there. They say they shout Asare Dokubo, they shout to Tompolo, they shout. All these guys, they buy their pocket, they go build schools for another place. Leave your state like that. Ask me to do environment like this. So government could get money too. Understand? Then we'll be enjoying from it. Understand? Because of them no plan anything good for. Make una dey share with una two eyes. I saw una place supposed to be. No, say our brothers and sisters will go fish. Then go dey cry, say they no see fish catch. Say all the fish don't die because of what they don't pollute the sea. Look at, no be people they get the fish. So understand? So when you see all these things, you understand, you know that something good, they attract eyes. No be people they see. So on top of sea, they work. So understand? And I feel all this place so that people can come. See am. How then they take and look at people wait there for Lagos. If rain fall everywhere, that place where they call Bar Beach, only pigeon and they go there go kill now. Understand? Rain, water goes, then go tell you, oh, water flood everywhere because of your government. No want to arrange things the way it's supposed to be. Then they come here, then they're picking. All of them they come here. Look at it. Make you understand with your two eyes. Look at them. You want to come and fish now? You come here with your, but a small one, maybe to catch one or two fish where you won't go chop. Understand? Look at. You know, say as people they come, they enjoy the thing. When summer come, I go do video showing at this place. Una go see how this place is very, it will be very packed. You understand? You make una dey see with una two eyes. Now, so all our riverine area, both call your governors, all of them, show them this. Say, well, una no fit build all this. If they say they mean well for you, all this building wey they see so, now hotel all of them be. Now so then they get money because of all these ones where they seaside now money then they get. Okay, now make I leave una here. I beg, make una subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to our channel, USB Gospel. Make una subscribe. Drop your comment, anything you feel like, you know, in our video. So I will be giving you people more videos and be more things will be coming on this channel. Thank you as you are doing that. I say may God bless you. From me, from here is good afternoon.